Hi guys, welcome back. If you're here, that means it wasn't the fuse, it's the switches. First things first, go to your breaker box, cut the power, unplug the unit from the outlet. I can almost guarantee that you replace more than one fuse. Take pictures of that control panel so you'll know where the wires go when you put everything back together. Remove the clips that are connected to the switches. This is very loose. You see this screw? Don't forget about this one. Get a stubby Phillips and remove these two screws. It might be easy to remove that switch holder. Wasn't for me. I had to really maneuver it, finesse it, wiggle it. Okay, so I got a new one. Might not need it. I got it anyway. New fuses. Links will be in the description. We need to preserve this lever, by the way. Okay, let's begin. Holder doesn't look that worn, but I'm not taking any chances. I'll use the new one. As far as these parts, I might use one or two of them. Again, this one is too loose. I'm sure it's the main culprit. What about this one? Nope. Not so much, not at all, actually. That one, no. So yeah, it's you have to go. So I put the lever in the new holder. Be careful. You don't want to damage the tab, not even in the old one, just in case you need to use it again. Something might happen. You might damage the new one. It'll be good to use the old one. Just proceed with caution. Be very careful. Okay, so I'm having a little trouble putting the new one all the way in, but you can barely move it. That's a good sign. From my understanding, the new switches are built a little better. Okay, and I want you to just take a note of where it rests in the holder. So compare and contrast. Put the old holder up to the new one, or just take a look at the old switches. Make sure you put them in right, because this thing is delicate. Just want to show you the tab, and be careful. Like I said, when you put the switch in, don't damage that tab, because that switch has to sit in that piece, and that tab is a real important part. Do not damage that tab. I'm almost done, but I'm having a little trouble with this switch. I don't want to damage it. I don't want to mess up this button. I don't want to strip anything. I don't want to break that tab. I'm just doing the best I can for now. Again, it's okay to compare the old one to the new one just to make sure you're doing things right. Use it as a guide. But yeah, I'm getting there. Looks good. But I'm still trying to figure out that switch. I'll get it though. Don't worry about it. You guys know my track record. I'm pretty good. You know what, guys? I forgot to tell you to get a small flathead, real small, real little, and it'll help you maneuver that tab, and then you can put that switch in. I was just working against myself. Okay, we're done here. We put everything back. We're experts on that because we kept replacing fuses. Turn the breaker back on and plug the unit back into the outlet. All right, this is a good sign. We have power. I'm nervous because those fuses kept blowing, so this is like working for the Tom squad. I don't want to say the other word. Okay, let's figure this out. I'll put it on 1. Nothing at all. What's going on? Okay, let's stop it. Maybe I should set the time. How about that? Okay, we'll do that. That has absolutely, positively nothing to do with it, by the way. Absolutely nothing to do with it. Okay, let's put it on 1 again and again. Nothing. It's telling me food. Why are you telling me something about food? I don't get it. Getting frustrated, sweat is starting to form on my forehead. You know that feeling. Okay, let's try one more time. Open the door, close it, hit the button. How about now? Give me something. Come on, we've been working. There we go. There we go. Finally. Now I see how those actors feel in the movies when they have to dismantle the you-know-what at the end, or everything is gonna you-know-what. We did it. We did it, guys. We fixed it. It's working. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.